she's picking an egg. Hi, hi, baby, pick the eggs. Pick the eggs. Get the eggs. She cannot get the egg.
Good job. Starburst.
Get the eggs. She doesn't want the bowl.
Alright, kid, it's our turn now.
I know. I'm putting them back if this
Give it to your daddy. Give it to your daddy, the bowl. Pick up the egg. Pick up the eggs.
Oh, really?
The one Sarah just picked up.
No, I thought they're all sports.
Huh?
Your grandma said they're all sports. They're all sports eggs.
Oh,
They're
no,
football.
It looked like there was money in there. Maybe $1.
There's some money?
$1, babe?
Where's the baby?
Hey, Madeline.
Look at her. She's over there.
Don't lift this up. There's a big old black widow underneath that.
Hi, baby. Where are you going? You don't pick up the eggs. Pick up the eggs over there. Over there, there's the eggs. Go get the eggs right here, right here. Right here. All she do is play. She doesn't want the egg. Get the eggs. Oh, eggs. Where's the basket?
I put it up already.
Oh, you didn't want it? To make her fun.
She is having fun.
Yeah, she's playing right here. She doesn't pick up the eggs. Look at the eggs. Get the eggs. Come on. Get the eggs. Come on, there's eggs. Baby. Get, baby.
Hey, might as well, huh?
She needs to get the eggs
I know
because
she doesn't want to. It's okay.
she's having fun right there.
Selena!
There's more eggs.
Marlon, get the eggs. Come on.
Man, they got eggs from inside. Watch out, don't.
There's more over here. Look, the daughter of Jennifer. Look at the baby. She wants to ride. Hey, baby, look at her. She wants to ride.
You want to get on the swing?
Oh, look at her. Look at her.
Get on the swing?
She wants to ride the swing.
Okay, baby, hold on. Where's your basket, babe?
I put it up.
Green.
She just wants something up there trash can. What do you mean? I've seen this play before.
So are you going to push her then?
Huh?
Are you going to push her then?
I'll sit with her. I'll do it. Here.
There's a lot over there. Now it's gone.
Oh, we put her in the baby one.
Why don't you just have her sit in my lap?
Put it dada?
Come here, big girl. Oh my God. How many years has it been?
Your daddy needs to hold. Okay, go, go. Yee-hee. Yee-hee.
Fast. faster.
The daddy and the daughter. Look at them.
Say wee, baby. Are you not having fun? Or what? Oh, you want the ball?
You want the ball here? Hee-hee. Hee-hee.
I think it's kind of necessary to make a porch that big in our backyard.
You think so?
Well, we can make half of it like indoors. Like put like
Or
a
like a little thingy to make it seem like it's.
with like a countertop on it or something.
Yeah, so you can if you have some cook or something, you get a
Right there.
the table for it. There was a lot over there. Did you get something or no? Oh, give it to her. Baby, give it to her. Is there something in there?
No.
The daughter, she didn't get.
Oh yeah.
She didn't get.
Elena.
Oh,
Got 5 of them at the house. I guess we don't have this one though. Let's go back.
over there, there's a lot, huh?
Let's go back. Come on, go back around.
Oh, there's one over here.
I don't know if it's empty.
That's empty. You're right. Check it out.
No, it's got stickers in it. Though.
Oh, here. Give it to the girl.
Yeah, I know.
Drink more water. You're like your mom. You take half a sip and we're done.
So cute. I mean, the record her and then. Hey, kitty, do not get dirty. Do not get dirty. Ay, nako. She just walk around without looking the eggs.
She doesn't really care about
She
it.
doesn't really care. Look at her. I like your shoes. I'm gonna go. Hey, baby, here. Her ball.
That's not even hers.
Oh, who saw this?
Hers is on the ground.
Oh, okay. Hello. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Oh. Hello. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. You're fun. The cucaracha? What did you say? Cucaracha? Cucaracha.